guys, in today's video we're going to be unboxing and assembling my cemetery trees that I got from Spirit Halloween back last year, 2023. These are the in-store experience, which means they were just used for display in the stores and not actually inventory for sale until after the season. We'll go ahead and get them opened up, take a look inside, get them assembled, and see what they look like. And there you have the tree and all of its limbs. Easy assembly, they're each marked. I'm going to use a paint pen and take those paper labels off and mark them with a paint pen, so I'll be able to reassemble it without having the paper on them. So the branch connections have this little square area there, and these are labeled. I'm going to replace that again, like I said, with a paint pen, but just line it up with the limb that goes with it, and it just slides in like so. After I get all the limbs put on it and I get all of the paper taken off and the labels changed, I'm going to spray it down with some Gorilla waterproof sealant just to make sure that it's good and water sealed so it doesn't get damaged in the weather. And there you have it, the Spirit Halloween 2023 display tree from their in-store experience. Again, going to get these labels painted on, and then I'm going to spray it down with some water sealer. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.